This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and nothing much, very simple. We can go here to pretty much enter what I want to ask the AI, and as you can see here, AI will give me a reply. So these are just some other features which you can use with the AI application. This one here giving the option for you to use other AI models. As you can see, I'm currently using this AI model here, and you can scroll a bit and see other AI models which you can use. So once you have pretty much selected your AI model that you want to use, you just tap on apply, you're pretty much good to go. So you may need to log in if you want to use the public or the real world or up-to-date search option. So you're gonna need to log in to be able to use that feature. And to add image or pictures, you pretty much can tap on the plus icon here. Sometimes it does give a problem where it doesn't load, so developers for watching this may need to fix that option. As well, you can tap on the plus icon down here to upload documents as well. So as you can see here, upload a document or image, you can upload any PDF files or anything like that. And as well, you can speak with the AI real time by using the real time option here as well. So very simple AI application which you can use, very simple to chat GPT and so forth. So at the top here, you'll be able to get your subscription. You can tap on the diamond looking icon there and be able to get your subscription here. As you can see here, you have the subscription and pretty much what to be getting with their subscription. So just a very simple AI application which you can use. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this AI application here. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.